I think it's undergoing a great change. In fact, what we are seeing, what technology is brought here in India today, and we can see to do ease to do business in. That's going to be the buzzword going to be. Today, our population is around age of 25. I think the new investors going to be this youth. The youth will be very easy for them to go there, and online transactions is going to be much more popular with them. They are busy, they are working every day, and they want to see on their own how they can invest. So we require to think what they require. We have in India, for like mutual fund where I am involved with, the percentage, if you consider, of in India is so low, 7% of GDP, where you see 70% in USA, 50% so I think in UK. But the percentage in most of the countries are much higher in mutual fund industry than in India. And basically financial sector itself, the percentage is so low. So there is a lot of scope for increasing the business in India of mutual fund and other financial sector products.
Right. So you've seen Indian markets when it was trading at single digits valuations. Now we are talking about 15, 16, 17%, and FIs say that this is a bright spot in the overall investing landscape globally. What are your thoughts the way Indian markets, and how attractive are they right now?
I think first of all I have seen in fact where the PEs were 5 to 6. To explain here those days in 80s, what is PE was the question. There were hardly any indexes were also there. No even Economic Times or no BSE or Sensex etc. was there. So to do, in fact, there was no research house those days. So we were fortunate that we were one of the first one. We were the first one to actually start a research house, thanks to India Fund, which we launched in 1986. Anyway, going about the business of future is going to be more studying, understanding, analytical tool to understand the companies and various other aspects will be there.
Right. So you are also considered as the grandfather of the investing world in India. When you are talking out to our viewers or even some of the people here who are the youth and are now coming into the market, what would you like to tell them? How does it look? How promising in Indian markets and investing in Indian markets is next 5, 7, 10 years?
I think it's going to be in multiples. The growth is going to be. Today, I think Indian youth who are more enterprising, we think the wealth which is going to increase from the middle class to, you can say, high net worth itself is going to grow there. So I think the money availability would be there for the surplus investment side of it. So whether now interest rate coming down or it is remaining around this level even, it is more attractive for the people to invest in a growing economy like India.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.